Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Ghost blog. First, you need to decide on your hosting. You can choose to self-host, which gives you full control but requires a server with Node.js, a web server like Nginx, and a database such as MySQL. Alternatively, Ghost.pro offers a convenient, managed service, handling all the technical details for you. This initial decision is crucial for your blogging journey. Next, let's get Ghost installed and configured. For self-hosting, begin by creating a new system user with sudo privileges for security. Then, install Node.js and a database like MySQL. The Ghost CLI tool simplifies the installation. Just run the command and follow the prompts. Afterward, access your Ghost admin panel to configure essential site details, such as your blog's title, a brief description, and your preferred language. Now for the creative part, designing and publishing. Ghost offers a wide array of themes in its marketplace, or you can upload your own custom design. You can easily customize your theme's appearance directly within the admin panel, adjusting colors and layouts. The intuitive editor makes writing and publishing posts, complete with images and videos, a breeze. Plus, you can set up memberships and subscriptions to monetize your content and grow your audience. Finally, focus on growing your audience and maintaining your blog. Integrate tools for search engine optimization, analytics, and email newsletters to expand your reach. Ghost provides built-in features to help you grow your readership and monetize your content effectively. Remember to regularly update your Ghost installation and its underlying software for security and performance. Also, continuously monitor your site to catch and fix any misconfigurations, ensuring a smooth experience for your readers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.